Good evening, all of y'all. Please turn your cameras on. There's still a lot more people to join, so we got to wait for 5 more minutes. Okay, I hope all of you are prepared for the test. So the first few questions are going to be general, like fill in the blanks questions I'll be asking you all, like how I asked you all yesterday. And after that couple of questions, we'll go with the sums. So I'll be writing the sum on the board, and all of you are supposed to work it out within 5 minutes. And whoever's name I call out is supposed to tell me the answer. I hope it's clear.
Ma'am, I joined.
Sorry, your voice is breaking.
It's not working.
Sorry. Your voice is not clear, Dad. It's not audible. Your voice is not audible.
Ma'am, I thought the class was at 6:30, so yeah, I joined.
The class is at 6. It's never at 6:30, okay?
Oh, because it's at 6:30 every time, so that's I didn't see them.
Okay, it's at 6. I've dropped a message in the group, right? So I've mentioned clearly that it's at 6.
Yeah, I didn't see the message.
Yeah, okay. So just keep that updated. I always put the timings and everything over there.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, guys, turn your cameras on. 5 more minutes and then we'll start with the quiz.
Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening.
Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening. Okay, Aishwarya and Soumya, please turn your cameras on. All right, I hope all of you are ready for the quiz. Okay, so
Ma'am,
yes.
oh ma'am, I am out and I joined from my mother's phone and my camera is not working.
Now what's not working? Camera.
My camera, yes ma'am.
Okay, fine, all right. So if I'm actually giving you sums to do, how will you do it, Aishwarya? You will not be able to do it, right?
I can send you the
All right, fine.
photo.
Okay. Soumya, your camera.
Yes ma'am.
Yeah, okay. So the order will be Adya, Adrit, Aishwarya, Ashwat, Sritej, and Soumya. Repeating the order: Adya, Adrit, Aishwarya, Ashwat, Sritej, and Soumya. Okay. So first question. So whenever it's your turn, please unmute your mic. Okay. So first question. When the motion of an object is not along a fixed path with changing direction, then it is a dash motion. I'm repeating again. Adya, it's your turn. Listen to the question carefully. When the motion of the object is not along a fixed path with changing direction, then the motion is option A, oscillatory motion, option B, circular motion, option C, random motion, option D, periodic motion. Repeating the options: option A, oscillatory, option B, circular, option C, random, option D, periodic.
Ma'am, I think periodic.
Periodic. Okay. Why do you think it's periodic? Do you have a reason?
I'm not sure ma'am.
Okay. Who's after Adya?
Yes ma'am.
Yeah, Adrit. Can you try? Is Adya's answer correct?
Ma'am, it's wrong.
What's the correct answer?
Ma'am, is it?
You want me to repeat the options?
Yes ma'am.
Option A, oscillatory motion. Option B, circular motion. Option C, random motion. Option D, periodic motion. I'm repeating the question.
B.
B, circular.
Yes ma'am.
Okay, I'm repeating the question for all of you all again. When the motion of the object is not along a fixed path with changing direction, then the object is in what motion? Okay, after Adrit.
Oh ma'am, I think it's oscillatory motion.
Oscillatory motion. Why is it oscillatory motion?
Ma'am, because ma'am, so she said that the object it says you asked the two for a moment, so oscillatory motion is two for a moment.
Did I say two for a moment in the question? Okay, after Aishwarya.
Ma'am, what are the options? Can you repeat?
I'm repeating one last time. This is the fourth time I'm repeating. Okay, so listen, I'm reading it along with the question. When the motion of the object is not along a fixed path with changing direction, then the object is in what motion? Option A, oscillatory. Option B, circular. Option C, random. Option D, periodic. Anvit?
Yes, ma'am. So, maybe, ma'am, what is option A?
Oscillatory, circular, random, periodic.
I think random motion because it's going like zigzag. Like, we can tell where it's going, so I think it's random motion.
Okay. The question clearly says that the motion of the object is not in a fixed path. So it is not in a single path. It is randomly moving in different paths. So obviously it is random motion. Very good, Anvat. Okay. I hope it is clear to all of you all. Please read the question. It cannot be oscillatory motion nor periodic motion because both of them are the same. Oscillatory and periodic motion is the to-fro movement, which I never mentioned in the question. Circular motion means the object will move in a circular path. So the only option that is leaving is random motion because it clearly states it's not in one single fixed path. It is with the changing in direction. So it's a continuous change in direction, which is random. Please read and understand the question and then choose the appropriate answer. Don't just guess it, okay? Okay. Now I would have actually gone to the next person if Anvit didn't give a proper explanation. But since his explanation was correct, I told it's correct. Okay. Okay. Next person after Anvit. What kind of motion a bullet shows when fired from a gun? Is it translatory motion, linear motion, non-periodic motion, random motion? Who's after Anvit?
Ma'am, can you repeat?
What kind of motion does a bullet show when fired from a gun? Is it translatory, linear, non-periodic, or random motion?
Linear.
Why linear? Why? You just guessed it.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, who's after Ashwat?
Ma'am, it's me. Can you repeat the options?
Translatory motion, linear motion, non-periodic motion, random motion. When a bullet is fired from a gun, what motion is the bullet in?
Ma'am, can I try?
Let him finish and then you can try. Yes, Sridhar.
Ma'am, I think random.
Random. So when a gun is fired from, sorry, when a bullet is fired from a gun, the bullet will move in random directions, is it?
Ma'am, if you shoot it above, it might fall down right now.
But did I mention above?
Oh.
So why are you complicating the question for yourself? Okay, okay.
Ma'am,
Anvit, you can try. Sorry, one minute. Soumya, it's your turn actually.
ma'am, the bullet will go straight. It won't go any direction. It will just go where you will shoot it. So
Okay.
I think it's non-periodic.
It's non-periodic motion. Okay. Now Anvit, you can try.
Yeah, ma'am. I think it's non-periodic too because it's like not a loop. It's going in a straight direction where you shoot. It's not coming back to you. So I
Okay.
think it's
Okay. Adya,
Yes, ma'am.
is the answer of Anvit and Soumya and Sritej correct? Whose answer do you think is correct? Anvit or Sritej or none of them?
I think periodical.
Non-periodic. There's no periodic option. Okay. Adrit?
Ma'am, can you repeat the options?
Translatory motion, linear motion, non-periodic motion, random motion.
Ma'am, option B.
Linear motion. Why? Guys, always remember I'll ask you the reason even if it's correct or wrong. So without reason, don't guess it. If you don't know, just tell me you don't know. Next person.
Ma'am, I think it's linear motion because in linear motion, it goes straight.
Okay, very good. In linear motion, it goes straight. Linear motion is also known as uniform motion. Uniformly, it goes in one single path. That is why linear. Okay, it's not non-periodic and all. To and fro motion is only periodic. Non-periodic means there's just no to and fro, but it can be in different directions also. Okay, so it is linear. Please think, guys, why. I know it's a difficult chapter. That's why I gave this chapter one whole day to revise. I didn't keep it yesterday itself. Okay. After Aishwarya, 10 millimeter is equal to how many centimeter? Whose turn is it?
Mummy.
Yeah. Fill in the blanks. It's just a single question. If you don't know, we can go to the next person.
Ma'am, 10 millimeter.
Is how many centimeter?
Ma'am, 1.
1 centimeter. Are you sure? Are you sure, Ashwath?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, very good. It's 1 centimeter. Okay. Next person. Change in position of a body with time is called dash.
Ma'am, can you repeat?
Change in position of a body with time is called dash.
Ma'am, motion.
No, not motion. Think. I'm giving you another chance.
Ma'am, change in position with a body.
Change in position of a body with time.
Ma'am, I think after Ashwat is me.
I know actually you're after Aishwarya. I think you didn't answer that. After Aishwarya, then it's Ashwath and then Sritej. Okay, you can answer after Sritej. No worries.
Ma'am, I don't know.
You want options?
Yes, ma'am.
Option A, displacement. Option B, speed. Option D, distance. Displacement, speed, or distance.
Ma'am, speed.
So change in position of a body with time is speed.
No, ma'am, distance.
So change in position of a body with time is distance. Fix with one answer. Speed or distance.
Ma'am, distance, ma'am.
Okay, very good. It's distance. Okay. So the process by which something moves from one position to another is only called motion. Okay, so moving from one place to another is only motion. But a changing in position is involved. Here only all this velocity and acceleration is being involved for the object to move. So moving from one place to another is different, but with respect to time, you will say it's always distance. Okay. Okay. Next person, that is Anvit. 1 kilometer is how many meters?
1,000.
How many centimeters?
Ma'am, 1 lakh centimeters.
Okay, very good.
No.
It's correct only. It's correct only. Yeah. Okay. Next person. Next person, whose turn is it? Okay, Samya, this is a calculation question which you need to do it and tell me. How many minutes is there per day? I want you to show the working. So do the working and show it to me. Have you got it?
No, ma'am.
Where's the camera? It's a simple multiplication.
Ma'am, can I?
Wait, let her do. You can drop it in the chat box. Those who all are completed.
Ma'am, I dropped mine in your.
Okay. Okay. Very good, Anvit. Very good, Ashwat. Very good, Shitej. Very good, Aishwarya. Okay, Adrit. Good.
Ma'am,
Yes.
I got the answer as 1,440.
Yeah, it's correct. Good. Okay. Okay, I'll share my screen. Okay. I'll want you all to quickly note down the question because the screen will be on only for like a minute. Okay. Quickly note down the question and then whoever who's after Soumya? I think it's Adya. Okay. So Adya, once you're done with the answer, you should tell the answer. The rest of y'all can drop it in the chat box. 1 minute, I'll just share my screen. I'll write the question and then share. Sharing my screen. Quickly note down the question. I'll also read it. Ram travels to Kerala, which is 1,200 kilometers away from his home. He reaches there in 8 hours. How fast did Ram travel? So it is 6:26, 6:27. We'll stop sharing. So quickly note down the question and start working the sum, Adya. Whoever is done can share it in the chat box. I want your answer before 6:31, Adya.
Ma'am, what is the question?
I shared my screen, no? You didn't note it?
No, ma'am.
Why you didn't note it? I'm reading it out, quickly note it down. Ram travels to Kerala. Quickly note it down, Ashwat. Ram travels to Kerala, which is 1,200 kilometers away from his house. Ram travels to Kerala, which is 1,200 kilometers away from his house.
Ma'am, 150 kilometers per hour, ma'am.
Okay, thank you, Adya. I don't know if your answer is correct yet, but let everybody answer.
Ma'am, 1,200.
Kilometers from his home. He reaches there within 8 hours. How fast did he travel? Okay, Soumya. Okay, Adrit. Aishwarya. Soumya, recheck your answer. One minute more, guys. Kshitij, answer. Anvit, answer. Okay, what formula did you use, Soumya? Can you type that down? Type in the chat box what formula you used. Do the division properly. Good, Kshitij. Maximum 5 minutes, guys. You're not supposed to take more than this. Ashwath, where is your answer? Ashwath and Anvit.
Ma'am, 2.
Okay, good job, Ashwath. All of y'all, after the class ends, whatever sums you did, I want a picture of it. My WhatsApp.
What, ma'am?
After your the class gets over, whatever sums I'm giving you now, the working you're doing, send me a picture, okay?
Ma'am, I doesn't have your number, ma'am.
It's there in the group, in the class group. I post everyday timings, no, for classes. That's my number. Send it over there. Are you there in the class group?
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
Get my number from there.
Okay, ma'am.
No, Soumya, you're still not there. Okay, I'll do the sums on the board. Try to figure out what mistake you did. Anvit's done yet? Past, very past time.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. You done, Anvit? Okay, it's all right. Try to do the next sum more quickly. Type your answer. Okay. Okay, guys. So until he types, I'll solve this sum and I'll show it to you. Very good, Adya. Your answer is correct. Okay. So the answer is 150 kilometer per hour. So how we are getting that? We know the formula. What is the formula, Sritej, for finding the speed? How fast means we need to find the speed.
Ma'am,
What is the formula?
Ma'am, distance divided by time.
The most simplest question this is. So we know the distance is 1200 kilometers. The time is 8 hours. And it's already in the kilometer and hour form. You need not convert also. 8. So 2 4s are 8, 2 6 are 12, 0 0. 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6, 0 0. 2 1s are 2, 2 150s are 300. 150 kilometer per hour. It barely took me 30 seconds to solve this. So it should take you at least minimum 3 minutes, not more than that. Okay. So even if you're doing the long division method, it's not going to take that long. 8 ones are 8. How long did this take? How long is this going to take for y'all? Just 150. Yeah, so I don't know why you're spending so much time on this. Anyways, next question. Note it down. One minute timer. So 1 minute, I'll stop sharing the screen. Quickly note it down. Rita takes a car by road, driving at a speed of 43 km per hour to reach her town, which is 139 km away. How long does it take for her to travel to town?
Done now.
You still have 30 seconds, guys. Quickly note it down. I'm giving you all a clue. The answer comes in decimals. So you need not find, for example, the answer is 5.7. You need not find the next digit. Just 2 digits is enough. 5.72 is not required. 5.7 is enough. So 1 digit after decimal, if you find, it's enough. Okay, time's up. I hope all of you have noted. Is there anyone who hasn't noted? Okay, quickly solve it. Sharp by 6:42. I want all the answers in the chat box. All of y'all in the chat box. Those who do not give me the answer will be given homework. Only those who don't give me the answer.
Ma'am, done.
Type it in the chat box.
Actually, I need to say it because it's my chance.
It's okay. Just type it in the chat box. Guys have 1 more minute more. Okay. Good, Adrit. Very good, Anvit. Very good, Soumya. All the workings, I'm reminding you all. I want all of it in my WhatsApp, okay? The rest of you all quick, only 3 of you all have sent me the answer. Very good, Sritej. Where are the units? Aishwarya, I need decimals. Adya, I need decimals. Good, Sritej. No, Adya, recheck.
Ma'am, I send you, ma'am, in the chat.
No, your decimal is wrong. Recheck your answer. No, Aishwarya, it's wrong. Recheck. See if your answer makes sense. Time's up. Okay, let me solve it for you all. No, Aishwarya. Okay.
Ma'am, are you sharing your screen?
No, I'll share.
Ma'am, I have a doubt.
Yes.
So like for in motion, like motion and distance, like for different problems, how do you solve it? Like what are the formulas?
Oh, you weren't there when I taught you the formulas?
Yes.
Okay. Okay. So just always remember speed is equals to d by t or distance by time. So when it comes to time, what is the formula, Sritej?
Ma'am, time, distance divided by speed.
Distance divided by speed. So time goes here, speed comes here, and distance will remain there. Okay. And for distance, what is the formula?
Ma'am, speed into time.
Speed into time. It will become multiplication. These are the 3 formulas, and with this is what you follow for doing all the steps.
Okay.
Okay. So here, Rita takes a car by road. So we know that the speed is 43 km/h and the distance is 139 kilometers. So we need to find how long it takes, which means the time. So time is equals to d by s or distance by speed. So the distance is 139. Speed is 43. We need to divide it. 43
And times 3 equals
okay.
Yeah.
This will give you
times 3 equals 129, and we subtract it and there's 10 left, and we add a 0 because of the point, and 43 times 2 equals 86, and yeah.
yeah. So here you have your answer, 3.2. This is how you need to solve. It's barely going to take you 2 minutes. So, guys, time management in mathematics is very, very important because maths, when it comes to maths, theory is going to be very, very less. I know this is science, but when it comes to maths, you know that theory is none mostly. So, when this is something that's going to follow up in your math also. So, please be aware of the time limit. Please do it quickly. Okay, last question for the day. 1 minute.
Ma'am, can you explain again?
The sum?
Yeah, ma'am, it is 139 and it is 126, ma'am. It will be,
No, it's not 26, Adya. Check again. 43 into 3 is 129.
yes, ma'am, 129.
Hmm.
Answer is coming.
Check, Adya. See. 43 into 3 is 129. 139 minus 129 is 100. It is actually 10. You're adding another 0 over here. You're putting a decimal point here. 43 ones are 43, but you have 86, which is the closest to 100. So you use 2, which is 86. So it is 3.2, not 3.1. Got it?
Yeah, ma'am.
Okay. Hmm. Sai runs a 4-kilometer marathon at a speed of 2.5 kilometer per hour. How long does he take to complete? Note it down the screen. It will be on only. Whoever finished doing it can, yeah, type it in the chat box. I'll be back in a while.
Done, ma'am.
Okay, there are a few more people to answer.
Ma'am, is it correct or wrong?
Wait. Let everybody do. I don't think all of are getting correct, but my son is reading right. Okay. Very good, Adrit. Very good, Soumya. Ashwath, recheck. Good, Anvit.
Ma'am, mine is wrong.
How many 30 minutes? Yeah, yours is wrong.
Ma'am, did I type it correctly?
Yes, Sritej. Who asked?
Ma'am, Soumya.
Yes, Soumya, your answer is correct. Where's the unit? I need the unit.
Ma'am, is mine correct? I will add the unit.
Yeah, yours is correct. No. Sorry. Yours is wrong. Please
Okay,
recheck.
ma'am.
Yes, are you guys done? Time's up.
Ma'am, I'm getting the same answer, ma'am.
So we know that here we need to find how long. So long means time. Time is equals
Can
to.
you wait 1 minute?
I'll anyways have to solve because I have to go
Ma'am,
for
distance
another class.
divided by feet. Ma'am, 4 divided by 2.5.
Okay. So 4 divided by 2.5, how you will do? You can, in case if it is decimal is being a disturbance for you, into 10 you can do. Which is 40 by 25 because you're removing the decimal over here. So 5 5s are 25, 5 8s are 40. 5 1s are 5, 5 1s are 5. You have 3 more. So 0.6 because 5 6 are 30. If it's confusing for you, use the 40 divided by this thing over here. 25 ones are 25. You will get
Ma'am, I got it.
okay.
Ma'am,
So
is it 1.6?
yes, it's 1.6. I think you wrote 0.16. I don't know. I think you wrote something like that. So it is 1.6 hours. Okay. So I'm giving you all homework. Sam travels at a speed of 7.8 kilometer per hour in 3 hours. What is the distance covered? Note it down and you can leave the class.
Done, ma'am.
Okay, now you can leave.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye bye. You guys can just leave, okay? I have a call to talk, so you guys just talk. Just leave. I'll text you all the homework in the group. Okay, so bye all of you. Bye bye. So we don't know from the payment try பண்ணிருக்காங்க ரெண்டு தடவை but இவரு நேர்ல விட்டு வச்சு so நைட்ல டைம் கேட்டிருக்காங்க. So she just called me and she said we will tell you about to carry on அப்படின்னு நான் சொன்னேன். But she will still keep moving on. அப்படியே என்னோட person பண்ண முடியும்னு சொன்னாங்கன்னா keep will do this best அப்படின்னு சொல்லி சொன்னேன். So and also she told because the quicker the better. If you're very doing no, ask them to do it again. She told me. So I want your guys' opinion because this is the time at 3:45 make high surety. So I will put it's better again also. Which means we will reach early. I've dropped all the messages in the group. So okay, now I will call பண்ணி நான் book பண்ண சொல்லிடுவேன். Because surely it will take some time. If you guys